All right, everybody over at PaintWorx Collision Center, how you doing today? My name is Nathan Bruce, and I'm going to show you a few ways how you can gain more traffic, more customers through your website and your online business. So I'm going to get straight into it. So if you look up Auto Repair Albany, New York, we got a couple businesses pop up here. Now this is called a map pack, okay? And businesses try to fight to get into that map pack. Why? Because it's on the first page of Google and it's the top thing that shows. So those businesses get most of the clicks. You know, when someone's typing that in, hey, auto repair, Albany, New York, they're going to click literally the first couple options, or they're going to scroll down a little bit. They're going to choose one of these options right here. So what's different from the map pack is down in here we have organic listings. What is not organic is, Yelp, Angie's List, stuff like that. Websites that point to other businesses, but the organic is literally the business that pops up first. So I'm going to compare you guys to a couple of your competitors. I'm going to show you, break down a lot of things that I see, the good and the bad. So this is your website. It's fine. You guys have quite a few pages going on here, which is good. What I like to tell my clients is we like to have 1,500 words on the home page of your website. So you have a little bit going on, but not too much. So where did I go? Oh boy, I don't want to paint. My bad. Move that out the way. Exit drawing. Here we go. So I use this website. It's called Ahrefs. And what I use this for is to track how much Google trusts your website and how much power the website has in Google's eyes. So I pay for this. I pay for this website monthly. And I typed in your website page right here. So the URL rating on a scale of 0 to 100, that's how much Google trusts your business. 15 out of 100, we could definitely do better. Definitely always room for improvement. And the DR, the domain rating, again, from 0 to 100, this is how much Google has given them power, have given you guys power. 3.7 out of 100, we could definitely do better. I'd like to talk about backlinks real quick. That's the total number of websites that are pointing you guys out, which is great. Definitely got to have those. And then another thing I want to talk about real quick is organic keywords. Now, keywords are literally anything people type into Google. So again, what I typed into Google, auto repair Albany, New York, that's a keyword right there. It'll show you, I'll show you through Ahrefs on your competitors' websites. Let's just do that real quick. We'll talk about this real quick. Organic traffic. It's showing that not too much traffic is happening. Not too many people are visiting your website. So if we check out Capital Tech Auto, this is another competitor of yours in Albany. So their Ahrefs information is right here. How much trust Google has in them, 22. How much power they have, 1.4 out of 100. They're doing something wrong here. Backlinks, let's click on that. Backlinks, this is kind of what it looks like. And you can do this too. The Ahrefs thing, you can look more into this. I just know a lot of business workers don't have the time to go through this, so they have someone else do it for them. That's kind of what I'm here for. I know the ins and outs, I know the ups and downs, and I know a little bit more about this. All these keywords, though, definitely something to take in to consideration. What we like to talk about as well, organic keywords. I'm going to show you that real quick, because that's I think very important. You want to win those keywords, you'll be on the top of the page every time. People literally look up the company names. Volume shows how much monthly those people are searching for that keyword. Like auto tech repair, 300 people a month are searching for that on Google. For example, Capital Tech Auto Repair Albany, 20 people a month. That's for example, that's 20 customers that you're missing out on because the website's not popping off on the front page. The KD, the keyword difficulty, that's how hard it is on a scale ranked from 0 to 100. For that keyword right there, specifically 0, hey, if we could take advantage of that keyword right now, you guys would be popping on the front page of Google. So that's something to take under consideration. This company's organic traffic, I don't think it's too high. Nothing crazy. I'm going to show you one more competitor real quick. I don't know why that's not loading. But we got Albany Repair, Auto Repair Albany. Their website, they don't have too much wording going on here. It's an okay website, They got a lot going on here, but we could do better. We can make a better website. So Google trusts them a little bit more, 26 out of 100. The domain rating for them is 3.4 out of 100. They have the more backlinks, more organic keywords that they're using. Organic traffic 202. That's something to take into account for. Again, none of this is impossible to beat. We could definitely do this by literally copying and pasting these keywords right in your website. Sky's the limit here. What kind of dreams? We could talk more. What kind of dreams? What kind of goals do you have for yourself and your business? That's something to take under consideration. And with that said, my name is Nathan Bruce, and my phone number is 518-379-7661. Definitely get into contact with me if you want to start working more. We could talk more about this if this interests you. You like what you're hearing. We're on the right track. Getting that website up, doing more with it. Let's talk more. Have a good evening.